All right, so Roxanne from Ole Extreme, brand manager of confectionery and snacks, says, Mrs. Stevenson and Janet, it's your birthday today from CNS, and she wishes you happy birthday. Also, happy birthday to trade unionist Granville Valentine. Sir, hope you have a great day today. Greetings from your daughters, Renee, Giselle, Tasia, and Kemoy. So have a brilliant day today. All right, what's going on?
Okay, National Geographic magazine. They've named their top extreme adventures, and we're going to share them with you guys now before we head out of here, starting with Denali, Mount McKinley.
Yeah.
So everybody knows about Mount Everest, which is the world's highest peak. Okay, though its exact height is being reevaluated by scientists this summer, it doesn't offer the world's greatest base to apex vertical. For that, you'll have to travel to Alaska's Denali. Climbing North America's highest mountain involves ascending nearly 18,000 feet from the base to the 20,310-foot summit. No.
Nope.
Along the way, expect to encounter Arctic conditions, glacier travel, crevices, temperatures down to minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and winds whipping at over 100 miles per hour. The climb usually takes 3 to 4 weeks, and over 90% of groups tackle the West Buttress route, though some prefer to hike in by the Muldrow Glacier or take the west way back.
All right, we're only going to do 4 of them. Hiking the Himalayas is the next one. It's 48,000 foot uphill hiking and 11 passes over 16,000 feet. This 186-mile trek is one of the world's hardest hikes. Why would I want to hike for 186 miles? I didn't even take my car, I can't drive for so long.
Cold. Into the cold, look how cold it is.
The Soman trek usually takes around 25 days. Whew. Depend on what's the next one?
Eagle's Nest in Florida, known as the Grand Canyon among divers. The Eagle's Nest Cave complex features incredible scenery and caves over 300 feet deep. Negative. Lured many divers. Well, despite its stunning beauty, the Eagle's Nest Caves has lured many divers to their deaths. At least 10 people have died there since 1981, and the site was closed from 1999 to 2003. Its remote location and extreme depth add to its danger, and this is an extreme, expert-only dive.
Pretty though.
Very. Maybe look on the picture then.
Yeah. This one, because it's in France, I think I will mispronounce it. It says it is spelled La Grave Resort, but for some reason I don't think it's grave. It's
La Grave.
La Grave, you think?
This is the last one, yeah.
You think?
I think so.
La Grave Resort. It involves taking a cable car up to 10,500 feet. A plane supposed to be up them place there, you know, before skiing down mostly unmarked terrain, dodging crevices and cliffs with the threat of avalanches along the way. No, this isn't a regular resort. It's experts-only terrain packed with enough steep chutes, cliffs, and what's that?
Couloirs.
Whatever, to keep highly skilled double black diamond off-piste skeets and skiers. Woo! Even know what I say. It's just difficult to ski, and
this is the part that you should. It's unmarked and unpatrolled, and if you're not careful, you might end up at the bottom of a crevice. That's all I need to know.
Yeah, nobody can find if it is unmarked or unpatrolled.
No, I'm good.
We're done, or we're going for a break? All right.
Spurtree Hill is enough of an adventure for me.
Yeah, Benji do this.
Break.
I don't know if it's in this already.